Hello, this is Curtis Morrison. I just realized I didn't go live on Telegram. That's not good. I have to go live on Telegram because I care about people who follow me on Telegram. Even though you're not here right now, I care about you. So give me 1 second. Stream with, start streaming. There we go. We're going live on Telegram. So I want to talk about two things today. That's it, short show, because I'm not by the computer. Where I am is I went and got an application notarized to become an attorney in the Fourth Circuit, which is like over Maryland and North Carolina and that area of the country. The reason I'm doing that is because we are appealing an adverse order from a federal judge on an AP delay lawsuit. We've decided, like, when judges make mistakes, we need to take them to the appeals level. So, fortunately, the client in that case has decided that it's important to them, and so they want to take it to the next level. So that's what we're doing, and so I'm having to join a new court. So, what else is going on? That's why I'm not at the house. That's why I'm not in front of the computer. Okay, so there's one thing I wanted to talk about, and that is the story about that was on NPR about country reports. Um, the State Department has decided that it's no longer going to list certain, they're not going to track human rights records for certain kinds of human rights in their country reports. This sounds like no big deal, but it actually is a big deal in the context of immigration. And let me tell you why. When people are seeking asylum inside the United States, and we're trying to explain to immigration judges why, or to USCIS officers for affirmative asylum, we're trying to explain why people would face persecution if they were returned to their home country. We rely on the State Department's country reports. Well, a story broke on Friday from NPR that said that the State Department is no longer going to recognize certain kinds of human rights violations. They're not going to track them because they're just not recognizing those as human rights. And one of the things is like freedom of movement, freedom of assembly, um, violence against women, sexual violence, LGBTQ violence. I can't remember. It's a long list, but it's just one more example of the crazy stuff that the Trump administration is doing in little bitty places, little incremental attacks on the immigrant community. So we will continue to advocate for you and fight back however we can. And I'm going to cut today's show short, though, and I'll see you next Wednesday on Let's Talk Immigration. Please be safe out there. Okay.